What's up, everybody? I have right here my 2015 GSXR 600. This is going to work with 2011 and newer GSXR 600s and 750s, but I'm going to be changing the headlight, the main low beam headlight, to a HID conversion, which I will put the link of where I got that in the description. And also, I'm changing out these parking lights. These little lights up here on the sides, those are going to go to red LEDs to help match the bike a little bit. May or may not be legal, but whatever. Right now, the battery is dead, so I'm waiting for that to charge up so I can video like before and after. But for now, this first video, part one, is just going to be these parking lights. So if you want to see just the HID conversion, that will be part two. All right, so for the HIDs, we're going to have to remove this dash. But for this parking light, changing all the parking lights on each side, we don't have to remove anything. You're just gonna come under here, and it's kind of hard to see on camera, but right up here, that little thing right there, yeah, you're gonna just grab that and unplug that, and that's really easy. So yeah, that's the one on the right side. Let's go over here to the left and find this one somewhere. Yeah, right there. See it? See it right up and right there. Just gonna grab that and pull that boy right out. All right, because it's really easy to just grab, put your hand in there and grab that out. You're not going to need any tools except for your own hands, the new LEDs that you're going to be putting in, and this like and subscribe post-it note. So once you have those things, you're ready to go. All right, guys. So the person before me, whoever had this bike, took the parking lights out. They also have this tinted visor over, which I'm going to keep it on for the before and after shots. But, yeah. There are no parking lights in there right now. They will be like up here. There's also the Velcro that holds this tinted thing on that's on the top around where those lights are, so I'll see. I might do a before and after with the visor off as well, but here we go. All right, again, you just reach in there, you can grab it, you'll feel it like wiggle it a little bit and pull it out. I'm gonna bring it right over here. And normally there'll be like a little LED bulb thing in there, but again, whoever had it before me didn't like that, so they took them out. So here's the one I'm gonna put in there. It's a red one, and let me click that in there real quick and be right back.
2 hours later.
Okay, so I was trying to figure out why it wasn't working. I came over and put this one in. It still wasn't working when I turned the key. Yeah, that was weird. But turns out you can put them in like the wrong way. They look the same on both sides, and I put them both in the wrong way. But whatever. They work now. So there's the LED right there. Crank this key. Red light and red light. I'm gonna put them back where they're supposed to be. You just like reach in and then push them where they came from, and then you're good to go. Okay, I think I did it. So let's see. Here we go. Awesome. Yes, it works. As you can see, you got the red up here. It's a little blocked out by this shield. I can take it off real fast. But next, I'm gonna do the headlight. Nailed it! Alright, so yeah, those things are still kind of in the way. But at night, that's going to look really cool. Also, the bulb right now is an old halogen bulb. I'm doing the HID kit. So that'll look a lot whiter. I think it'll go a little bit better with it. And at night, especially with the other red LEDs that I have on this thing, I think it'll look pretty cool.